Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be one of those relaxing yet fun days. No stress, no rush, just going with the flow. And I wanted to slow down, spend some time outdoors and do something adventurous and end of the day with a little self-care. So let's dive right in. I started my morning slowly, the way I love it. No alarms, no rush. And by midday, it was time to add a little spark. So we headed out to this place called FNF. It's in outskirts of Hyderabad, and we wanted to do some go-karting, followed by archery, which I was horrible at, and I lost to the boys. Obviously, it always happens. I'm never good at all of these stuff. In fact, I was forced
Yeah.
for an hour or two, like literally forced, and they dragged me to come to this place. But I did end up enjoying this time.
Give a different angle. It's side. No, the other side. Go this side. Yeah.
I think I took some around 10 shots, 8 to 10 shots. I ended up knocking down just one bottle. It's so embarrassing. And the rest of the shots which I posted is not me shooting it, it's the boys doing it. Apart from these, I also hate these video games. I just don't get it how these boys are stuck to their screens for hours and they're at it. It's just so boring.
సేమ్ దొంగ కట్లుంటాం కానీ
And this was shot when I was in my old place. And if you guys have been following my channel, you do know that it used to be outskirts, and all of these places were just like 5 minutes away from the place where I used to live. And we just took the car and just roamed around, exploring different places. And this reminded me of my childhood days. And when I used to, I'm actually from a very small town, and we still have a farm, and we still have my grandparents living there. And we stumbled upon this swing which was casually tied to a tree.
యూ షుడ్ సిట్ నాని యూ షుడెంట్ స్టాండ్ ఆన్ ఇట్ యా కేర్ఫుల్ ఫ్రీ ఎఫ్ఎన్ఎఫ్ బెటర్ దెన్ గో కార్టింగ్ నాని
Free go kart.
షో వాట్ ఆర్ యూ టెలింగ్ హిప్నటైజ్ త్రూ పికాక్ ఫెదర్స్ చెప్పరా సిగ్గుపడొద్దు
లేదు చెప్పండి.
And ended the day by making some nice cheese Maggie.
వావ్ నాని వాట్ కటింగ్ స్కిల్స్ మ్యాన్ నిన్నే పెట్టుకుని ఇస్తూ ఉంటాం కదా వంట మంచిగా వేస్ట్ నాని కుక్ ఇస్తూ ఉండే దుడ్లంతా
నాకే ఏంటో 12,000.
యా I'll give you only, you become the labor.
We were handy chair.
Yeah.
Jadu pocha. Professional worker.
Pony jadu pocha not okay. Just do cooking now. I'll give you 4,000 per month.
ఓకే ఇది అయిపోయి ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఏం చేస్తా
Oh!
నా ఫేస్ కూడా పెట్టుకుంటే దగ్గరికి రా.
Oh my god! Just 1 spoon of oil. Enough. What are you cooking today?
కుకింగ్ చీజ్ మ్యాగీ.
Antena? Is it just
Very
cheese?
చీజ్ మ్యాగీ.
Yeah.
ఎగ్ చీజ్ మ్యాగీ.
Egg?
యా
No. We are not using egg.
ఓకే చీజ్ మ్యాగీ.
Don't teach
Nani,
Malayalam.
please play something. Nani, I'll hit you now.
Using how to go?
Friends.
Skindra. It's right there, Nani.
ఎదుర్కొన్నా ఉంది యువర్ సర్చింగ్ అదే
Adera, Mandala Murders.
Oh, idena.
So I'm done with the dehydrator and primer, and we have to stick these nails to these fake nails. What is this called as? It's called fake nails or nail tips? No idea. I actually learned this nail art very recently. I think I watched a bunch of videos on YouTube and I really wanted to try. I wanted to pick up some new hobby and something creative, and I had got once, I guess, these nail art done before by a professional nail artist. I'm gonna use this as a base coat, and I'm gonna do a ombre with these two on top. So this is the plan. So this is one of my favorite colors which I got. I think I got this from Charminar, and this was only for 50 rupees. So that was a steal deal. I got so many nail polishes from Charminar. I think the last time I went there, I think I got around like 12, 13 nail polishes. All of them were around for 50 rupees. I think all of these were from Charminar. So if you want to get nail polishes at low cost and the good quality ones, do go to Charminar. What is it called as? Some Bangle Bazaar or what? You're not showing your face. You can talk. Matado. Okay. Yeah, Chudi Bazaar. This angle is better. It's not like making my I actually wanted to stop with this. This is the final outcome. It's not very perfect, but it's okay. It's for the first attempt. It's fine for the first attempt. So, yeah, I wanted to stop at this, but then I had an idea of adding this gel polish space UV. I think there's a glitter kind of thing, and I thought I'll add this and make it look a bit more dramatic. So let's see how it turns out. And this is the final look. Not bad for the first time, and I hope I'll get better at this.
Just take a close up.
And that's it for today's vlog. See you guys again in my next vlog. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Take care. Bye bye.